Welcome back. My name is Jake Gallen. I'm here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to show you how to sell a Namecoin asset on OpenSea. So here we are. I opened up the asset that we have been using for this tutorial, D/Sex in the City, that was registered November 21st, 2013. As you can see down here in the metadata, it displays the year that it was unclaimed, the time that it expires, and the balance. Always, as a seller, I want to preface by saying that you should always check to see what's inside the vault. You don't want to accidentally have a fraudulent sale because the vault expired because you didn't have enough Namecoin inside and maybe some disconfiguration that could possibly happen. So always verify. No matter if you're buying or you're selling, you should always verify when it comes to not only Namecoin assets, but pretty much anything. So here we open the vault. You can see Sex in the City and 2.01 Namecoin. I'm going to verify it to make sure that we think it is. Registered November 21st, 2013. Come down here and you can see that original registration. So we're fine there. As you can see, I own it because it says transfer, approve, and claim. So that is fine. Now we go to the page and you can see all this data as we displayed. And so we're ready to sell the asset. It's pretty simple. You just come to hit sell. You're going to come in and you're going to type an amount. This is the top floor trait. So this is probably rating through the Namecoin floor or maybe one of the other traits when it comes to 2013 assets. I'm unsure which top trait this is. You always want to be very wary of the top trait when it comes to Emblem Vault until the curated collections come out, because it could be pulling from any of those properties down there, because this is very cutting edge technology and nobody else has been able to replicate this. So real ensure, always make sure that you verify and check, as we say. So you're going to come down here, Sex in the City for the memes, 0.69 ETH. We'll have it listed. You could come set any duration. Here, I will come and set it for 1 day. And you can see here that the service fee is 2.5. Service fee is what goes to OpenSea. And then the creator fee is what comes to Emblem Vault. So once you're done, you can see there's also a resting bid. Come and hit complete listing. You're going to assign the transaction to Seaport. And then, oh, sorry, I'm using a ledger, so I'm gonna have to sign this again. I always recommend using a ledger as well. You should always practice proper safety. So we're gonna hit sign. We're gonna have this listed for about a day, and you'll see that it says your item has been listed. And now we can come here, view the listing, and it shows right here, 0.69 ETH, and this is the countdown. And that is how you sell a Namecoin asset on OpenSea.